Nokia 2.4. Nokia 2.4 is set to launch in market on November 26. Nokia brand licensee HMD Global has teased through its social media channels. The Nokia phone was unveiled in Europe in September alongside the Nokia 3.4. While the Nokia 2.4 comes with a water-drop-style display notch and includes dual rear cameras, the Nokia 3.4 offers a hole-punch display design and has triple rear cameras. The Nokia 2.4 also comes with an HD Plus display and houses a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. Although Nokia 2.4 price in market is yet to be revealed, it is likely to be in line with its European pricing that starts at €119, roughly 10,500 rupees. The phone comes in charcoal, dusk, and fjord color options. Moreover, the Nokia 2.4 comes in 2GB RAM plus 32GB storage and 3GB RAM plus 64GB storage options. Nokia 2.4 specifications. The dual SIM, Nano, Nokia 2.4 runs on Android 10 and features a 6.5-inch HD+, 720 by 1600 pixels, display with a 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone has an octa-core MediaTek Helio P22 SoC, coupled with up to 3GB of RAM. There is the dual rear camera setup that comprises a 13-megapixel primary sensor with an f/2.2 lens and a 2-megapixel secondary, depth sensor. For selfies and video chats, there is a 5-megapixel camera sensor at the front, with an f/2.4 lens. HMD Global has offered up to 64GB of onboard storage on the Nokia 2.4 that is expandable via microSD card. The phone packs a 4,500 mAh battery. Besides, it comes with regular connectivity options that include 4G LTE as well as FM radio and a micro USB port. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.